Although hello, hi, namaste, welcome to your obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. It's Pooja, girl with wrinkles and pimples, and today we have a giant one. Before I start, grab whatever you have in your kitchen because my video is going to be super fun. If you have been watching my YouTube shorts, you guys know that I have started a 90 days runway outfit challenge. I know you guys don't follow me on Instagram, but do it because I share my personal stuff there in which no one is interested. I'm currently on day 18 out of 90, which practically makes me dedicated follower of one and only Naomi Campbell. Ta-da! Starting this channel, I have been on a mission to follow Naomi Campbell, watching each and every video that I find online. One more thing, modeling has always been my dream. After being rejected by many agencies, I focused on my studies because that was the only option, obviously. As a creative person and psycho too, I decided to give YouTube a chance to explore everything I'm passionate about. Enough personal information. No one asked me for that.
Hi, I'm Naomi Campbell.
First of all, her skin is flawless. She looks as if she is in her 20s. And look at me. I'm already 30. I mean, nowadays I feel like I'm 30 plus. Do I have my periods now? I have to get ready for the battle to survive.
First, I always use zinc. So, zinc spray.
Zinc spray. Chemistry. I hate it. Does anyone here love that subject? Let me know in the comment section. Actually, I have a friend who works in chemistry lab. I can ask him for that. So let me call him first. What? I only use expensive things like this phone. This phone has nothing in it, but it still works. Isn't that amazing? I love it. So I'm going to use this spray from Aroma. The writing on this bottle is faded, just like my eyesight. My siblings are like, how much is this? Come on, it's 2. I'm afraid of applying this because I don't like something that suddenly gets on my face and I'm like, oh, this is my brother's shirt. Sorry, t-shirt. Where is my mini fan? You know guys, I just use expensive things.
I'm going to take my roller, which is this one's from the doctor.
So I have this roller, oh you can see it, which I don't even use, but I just bought this to make some space in my pocket because I have a lot of money in my imagination.
I have to be a bit careful because it's very sharp and there's extra
This is not sharp. It's cool. It was in freezer actually.
Sensitive around the chin. Don't go too close to under the eyes with this. I'm doing this because I want to put a serum and I want it to go really into my skin. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I've been taking care of my skin.
It feels like I'm painting my face.
Taking care of my skin since I was a child because my mother always told me I had to moisturize and face and body. So I used to use my mother's products when I was a child.
My mom was like, don't you dare to touch my makeup products. I'm going with the serum, Pilgrim serum. I always prefer to surrender in front of my mom.
Another, like a serum, we're going to add some vitamin E, add some hyaluronic acid, little vitamin C powder. And put it on the face and neck.
Hyaluronic acid. Whatever that acid is. And vitamin C powder. You guys might be thinking, do I have that? I found that acid and vitamin C in cream from Pond's. I love this cream. This has that acid and vitamin E in it. She puts vitamin C, but it's just a letter. This is E and her is C. Super light.
Concealer. I use like about 3 or 4 different colors on my skin because dark skin is that way. 23, 24, 25, 26. Those are my shades. 23 I put under my eyes.
I cannot spot a single wrinkle under her eye. Just like I cannot spot your comments and likes under my video. And you guys want to see my wrinkles? I have next level of wrinkles. I don't want to show you. Also, she don't use any foundation, so full face of concealer. I love that. I have to hide lot of things. Lot. This is the lot. First, I will go with this thing. I hide. Ooh. Yes. I cannot use different shades like her because my skin does not have those many shades, but I can go with maximum 2 shades. I look crazy. A little bit of powder.
I'm really bad at eyebrows today. I'm just gonna brush them and leave them. Because I know I'll make them.
If I ignore my eyebrows, it is going to be a mess. If she does her eyebrow, it is going to be a mess. So that's the difference. And I have to do my eyebrows. Oh, this has mirror. I'm so dumb. Is that too dark? But I have just got my eyebrows done, so they are going to look like this, which is beautiful. Oh, the difference. Nothing.
Kits, which is called Ginna from NARS. I use it for contour.
Contour from iMagic. This is how you take care of your brush. And by subscribing that button below, you can take care of me. I wish I could contour my face like her. Those cheekbones. My face looks like my ancestor belonged to this bird, Puffin. I hope my siblings won't start nicknaming me after this bird after watching this video. What about friends? I don't have any friends. My siblings are my friends. You guys, you are my true friend. Friends don't know that I have started any makeup channel. I already got 2 to 3 negative comments about my channel, so
Love. And I'm just gonna put a little highlighter just to put right on the cheekbone.
highlighter. That's too much, but okay.
Take a small brush, little trick that I learned. Sometimes when you're really tired, you go right in the corner, in here, and it gives you just a little pop of looking like, oh, I'm awake.
After putting highlighter on our cheeks, the inner corner of my eye, so to look, oh, I'm awake. I am tired all the time. Anyone with me? Am I the only one who thinks that she has a light purple shade on her eyelid and on her lips? Something she got naturally.
This color is like, kind of like the color of my shirt. I'll go between a matte and a sparkly.
We have this carnival today. I think I will go with this shade. Let me clear that the same shade she's using will be different on my eye. Not bad.
I'm going to use Sexturology, and I'm going to put that in the middle.
Is that purple shimmer? I'm not clear with the shades in this video. No doubt that color turns amazing on her face, but I'm afraid of that on my face. This is amazing. Can you see? This was not the shade. This is looking weird.
So I'm just going to put a little highlight there, a little highlight there.
Oh, a highlighter on the eye. What do you call this?
Tom Ford. It's called Zero Flush. It's very pink, but it doesn't come out that way. But on the skin, it's very light.
It's very pink. It's time to fake our blush because who is going to make us blush naturally? Look, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Don't follow my makeup tutorial at home. That will be a disaster.
Okay, now, lips. I don't always do a lip line, but I will today.
Now, lips. I will be doing this every time I do my lips now. So a brown liner, which is universal. Every girl have a brown liner.
And my Naomi is just like a pinkish based. It's a Naomi.
That turns into purple on her face, like with her shade. I'm stuck with pink, purple, burgundy, red in this video. Let's go with the shade that turned out on her lips because my eyeshadows are more of purple shade now. So I have a color which I have never used. This is the shade. Can you look at the color? Yeah, this. Am I going to look Rapunzel today? I love it. I love it. Okay. We have a hope. I'm going to look fabulous.
Liquid lipstick. And I put it in the header.
Oh, a liquid lipstick. We have this from Milap.
With some gloss. Make my lips a little sparkly.
I don't want to use gloss. I every time mess up with this part.
Nice to add a liner. This is one of my go-tos of Pat's. It's a very thin liquid liner. Really easy to apply. Just to give the eye a little drop.
Okay, so liner. It does not have anything like wing. I needed to put something under my eye, like a little light shade.
Is you can put the highlight that way, or you can also put a highlight this way, which is a cream highlight.
We have already done with powder highlighter. I'm going to put another layer of a highlighter. That would be mess. Give some finishing touches with mascara. I am done with myself. Okay, so after a lot of struggle, we are done with following Naomi Campbell. This is what it turns like. Guys, this lipstick shade is rocking on me. If you guys have never tried full face of concealer, please try it because that looks so natural. It's better than foundation. Results are in front of you. Also guys, don't forget to like my video because I'm the only person to do everything like editing, writing, shooting, arranging this studio. It's difficult for a single person to do, so please like, so that I can get motivated and I keep on posting my videos. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to see from me. And in case if your snacks are left, you guys can click one of these and continue watching me. Have a nice day. Lots of love.